Hello and welcome to our online class for the 𝐸𝐸𝐴 form. Watch closely for the first lessons. So for the first lessons, we will do the 𝐸𝐸𝐴 of the 𝐸𝐸𝐴 form, for the 𝐸𝐸𝐴 form. So the first movement, the first punch, if you will, looks like this. We start from our basic posture, as I showed you in the first lecture. From this posture, we do this screwing motion again, make the fist, raise the fist and screw it up, and from here make the second fist and walk. One step, raise the hands and punch with your downside from the palm. Again, from the front. Looks like this. This direction, back. So, what we're doing here, the punch comes from up here, down, this motion. So the turning motion for this move looks like this. We're coming here. Make sure that you keep the inner structure, as I told you in the intro. So we've got our structure, our body structure here, and keep it. Keep the hips tucked in. Otherwise, there will be no power in this push. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.